The Hindu-Kush Himalaya region spans 8 countries: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, India, Myanmar, Nepal, and Pakistan. Known as the third pole, it contains the largest volume of ice outside the polar regions. It sports a population of over 240 million people and indirectly sustains 1.9 billion people downstream through water sources. This region is sensitive to climate variability and changes, making it a critical area for understanding and mitigating climate impacts.
The Hindu Kush Himalaya climate is influenced by both tropical and extratropical systems, including the El Nino Southern Oscillations, North Atlantic Oscillation, Indian Ocean Dipole, and Arctic Oscillation. Warming trends over the past decades attributed to greenhouse gases and regional factors like aerosols and land use changes. Persistent warming was observed even during the global warming hiatus from 1998 to 2013. The phenomena of elevation-dependent warming is significant, with higher warming rates at higher altitudes.
Hindu Kush Himalaya has experienced warming from 1901 to 1940, cooling from 1940 to 1970, and the warming again post 1970. The warming rate over the last 50 years is 0.2 degrees centigrade per decade. Extreme indices have shifted. Warm days and nights increased, nights by 2.54 per decade, days by 1.26 per decade. Cold days and nights decreased, nights by minus 2.40 per decade, days by minus 0.85 per decade. Frost days are declining, and the growing season has lengthened by 4.25 days per decade. The number of intense precipitation days and the intensity of extreme precipitation has increased over the past 5 decades. The Karakoram and Western Himalaya showing increasing snowfall, contributing to the Karakoram anomaly, where some glaciers gain mass despite global warming. In the Eastern Himalaya, rainy days have decreased, resulting in heavier rainfall over shorter durations.
A rise in global warming of 1.5 degrees Celsius will warm the Hindu Kush Himalayas by 1.8 degrees Celsius. Climate extremes are intensifying. Rising frequency of extreme warm events and decreasing extreme cold events. Changes in temperature-based indices. Hydrometeorological extremes including floods and droughts are becoming more frequent due to increased precipitation variability. Climate models remains weak due to the region's complex topography. Climate change is real and its impacts on the regions like Hindu Kush Himalayas are undeniable. The time to act is now. Protecting the Himalayas is not just about safeguarding the third pole, but also about ensuring the resilience and well-being of the billions of people who rely on its resources. Let's work together to mitigate climate change, adapt to its consequences, and secure a sustainable future for our planet.